For order tomorrow, Thursday. Sumang balinghoy, mga kamars. And then, meron tayong pork Shanghai for tomorrow, Thursday order, mga kamars. Yan po yung aking pork Shanghai. Minimix ko na po siya. Luto tayo ng beef empanada for today morning order. Beef empanada. Mga kamars, yan yung ating beef empanada. Meron tayong lumpiang Shanghai. Barbecue early in the morning. Ating barbecue. Mga kamars, ayan po yung ating order for this morning. Sumang balinghoy, Shanghai, pork barbecue, chicken barbecue, empanada,